What if I told you that one platform could completely change your financial future, and you could start today with absolutely zero upfront investment? Stay with me because I'm about to reveal exactly how ordinary people are building passive income streams using Digistore24 affiliate marketing. In this video, I will be explaining step by step how to start Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Also, in this video, I'll show you the free traffic methods that can get you started immediately. My name is Sarah, and 3 years ago I was working a dead-end job, living paycheck to paycheck, desperately searching for a way out. I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and specifically Digistore24, which completely transformed my life. Today, I'm generating consistent 5-figure monthly income, and I want to share everything I've learned with you. Digistore24 is one of the most powerful affiliate marketing platforms available today, especially for beginners. Unlike other platforms that require extensive approval processes or high barriers to entry, Digistore24 offers immediate access to thousands of digital products across virtually every niche imaginable. From online courses and software to coaching programs and digital tools, you'll find products that align perfectly with your interests and audience. What makes Digistore24 particularly attractive is their generous commission structure. Many products offer commissions ranging from 30 to 70%, with some even reaching 90%. Imagine earning $90 for every $100 sale you generate. That's the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing, and Digistore24 makes it accessible to everyone. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity. You don't need to create products, handle customer service, manage inventory, or deal with shipping. Your job is straightforward. Connect people who have problems with products that solve those problems. When someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Let me walk you through the exact steps to start your Digistore24 affiliate marketing journey. First, you'll need to create your free account on the Digistore24 platform. The registration process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Once you're registered, you'll gain access to their extensive marketplace where you can browse thousands of products across numerous categories. The second step involves selecting your niche. This is crucial because your success depends heavily on choosing a market you understand and feel passionate about. Popular niches include health and fitness, personal development, online business, relationships, and technology. Don't make the mistake of choosing a niche solely based on potential earnings. Pick something you genuinely care about because you'll be creating content around this topic regularly. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to research and select products to promote. Digistore24 makes this process easy with their detailed product statistics. Look for products with high conversion rates, good commission percentages, and positive customer reviews. Pay attention to the sales page quality because this directly impacts your conversion rates. A well-designed, professional sales page will convert much better than a poorly designed one. The fourth step is obtaining your affiliate links. For each product you want to promote, Digistore24 provides you with a unique tracking link. This link ensures that any sales generated through your promotional efforts are properly credited to your account. Some products require approval before you can promote them, while others offer instant access. Now comes the most important part: driving traffic to your affiliate offers. This is where many beginners struggle because they believe they need significant advertising budgets to succeed. The truth is, some of the most successful affiliate marketers started with completely free traffic methods, and you can too. YouTube is hands down one of the most powerful free traffic sources available. Create valuable content around your chosen niche, helping people solve problems while naturally incorporating your affiliate recommendations. The key is providing genuine value first. Don't just create promotional videos. Focus on educating, entertaining, or inspiring your audience. When you consistently deliver value, people will trust your recommendations and be more likely to purchase through your links. For example, if you're in the personal development niche, create videos about goal setting, productivity tips, or mindfulness techniques. Within these videos, you can naturally mention and recommend relevant products that enhance the viewer's journey. Always disclose your affiliate relationships transparently, as this builds trust and is legally required. Facebook groups represent another goldmine for free traffic. Join groups related to your niche and become a valuable community member. Share helpful tips, answer questions, and provide genuine assistance. Once you've established yourself as a helpful member, you can occasionally share relevant affiliate recommendations when they genuinely address someone's specific problem. The key to Facebook group success is the 90-10 rule. 90% of your interactions should be purely helpful with no promotional intent, while 10% can include relevant affiliate recommendations. This approach builds trust and prevents you from being perceived as a spammer. Pinterest is incredibly powerful for driving free traffic, especially for certain niches like health, fitness, personal development, and lifestyle. Create visually appealing pins that link to valuable content on your blog or YouTube channel. Pinterest users are actively searching for solutions, making them highly qualified prospects for affiliate offers. Instagram offers multiple opportunities for free traffic generation. Share valuable content through posts, stories, and reels. Use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability and engage authentically with your audience. Instagram's algorithm favors accounts that consistently provide value and maintain high engagement rates. Content marketing through blogging remains one of the most effective long-term strategies for free traffic. Create comprehensive blog posts that address common problems in your niche. Optimize these posts for search engines to attract organic traffic over time. While this approach requires patience, it can generate consistent traffic and sales for years to come. Email marketing is crucial for maximizing your affiliate marketing success. Build an email list by offering valuable free content in exchange for email addresses. This could be an ebook, checklist, video series, or exclusive tips. Once you have subscribers, nurture them with valuable content while occasionally recommending relevant affiliate products. The money is in the follow-up. Most people need multiple touchpoints before making a purchase decision. Your email list allows you to stay in touch with potential customers, building relationships and trust over time. This dramatically increases your conversion rates compared to one-time visitors. TikTok has exploded as a traffic source, especially for younger demographics. Create short, engaging videos that provide quick tips or insights related to your niche. TikTok's algorithm can rapidly expose your content to thousands of viewers, potentially driving significant traffic to your affiliate offers. Forum participation is another underutilized free traffic method. Join forums like Reddit, Quora, or niche-specific communities. Answer questions thoroughly and helpfully, occasionally mentioning relevant affiliate products when they genuinely solve the questioner's problem. This approach builds authority and drives highly targeted traffic to your website. Success in affiliate marketing requires consistency and patience. Don't expect overnight results. Focus on providing value consistently across multiple channels. Track your results carefully to identify which traffic sources and content types generate the best results for your specific niche and audience. One common mistake beginners make is promoting too many products simultaneously. Instead, focus on a few high-quality products that you genuinely believe in. This allows you to create more detailed, authentic content and build deeper expertise around specific solutions. Another crucial element is understanding your audience's pain points and desires. The more clearly you understand what keeps your audience awake at night, the better you can position relevant solutions. Conduct surveys, read comments, and engage in conversations to gain these insights. Building trust should be your primary focus. People buy from those they trust, and trust is built through consistent value delivery, transparency, and genuine care for your audience's success. Never promote products solely for commission potential. Always consider whether the product genuinely benefits your audience. Legal compliance is essential in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships clearly and conspicuously. This isn't just ethical, it's legally required in most jurisdictions. Transparency actually builds trust rather than diminishing it. Diversification is key to long-term success. Don't rely on a single traffic source or affiliate program. Build multiple income streams across different platforms and products. This protects your business from algorithm changes or platform policies that might affect your reach. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, new traffic sources, and changing consumer behaviors. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential for sustained success. Your journey in Digistore24 affiliate marketing starts with a single step. Choose your niche, select your first product, and begin creating valuable content. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer started exactly where you are now. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is consistent action and persistence. Start today. Your future self will thank you for taking action now rather than waiting for the perfect moment. Your affiliate marketing empire awaits, and with these free traffic methods, you have everything you need to begin building your financial freedom today. Share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel and we will see you in the next video where we will share more affiliate marketing secrets. Thanks for watching.